to His Excellency, Most Reverend Udumala Bala, Archbishop of Visakhapatnam, India. With sadness, the Dicastery for Evangelization has learned of the passing of the Most Reverend Dr. Mallavarapu Prakash, Archbishop Emeritus of Visakhapatnam. Archbishop Mallavarapu will be remembered for his fruitful episcopal ministry, steadfast dedication to the formation and intellectual life of the clergy, and governance of the Diocese of Kadapa, Vijayawada, and Visakhapatnam, as well as his service as Apostolic Administrator of Srikakulam, was marked by pastoral zeal, administrative competence, and remarkable wisdom. Kindly extend our heartfelt condolences to the priests, religious, and lay faithful of the above dioceses, especially the Archdiocese of Visakhapatnam, as well as to the relatives of the deceased prelate who are personally mourning his passing and are united in prayer during this time of grief, imploring the intercession of Our Lady, Queen of Sorrows. This dicastery prays that Archbishop Mallavarapu may receive abundant mercy and eternal reward from God. Luis Antonio Cardinal Tagle, Prefect, Fortunatus Nauchuka, Secretary.